Thank you, babe. Is that balloon for Mom? Oh, I thought you just said it was for me. Okay, open up your basket. Say Happy Easter. You need help? Okay, hold on. Look, you just pull this. Pull this guy. Pull it. There we go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Crazy person. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, your stuff fell out.
Oh, look!
Okay.
Look at it!
What is it? They're jelly beans.
No, look! Look at mine! They're mine! Mine! Oh, look!
What else did you get? Well, look in your basket. You have a bunch of stuff. It just all fell out because you destroyed it. Okay, but everything fell on the floor. Keep it over here because you're going to make a mess.
Look at my balloon. Look at my balloon. Hey, no, hang up.
Yeah.
But Doug, look at all this other stuff, baby.
Oh, look!
Look, you dropped it all. Look. Whoa.
No, I don't need this. I need it.
Okay, but look at all your stuff, honey. Look right here. Look at all this stuff.
Oh, look.
It's not
Oh,
interesting.
mine.
Look, you got a new DVD.
Oh. I could get these.
Okay. Hey, do you want to do your egg hunt? Because I see an egg. Oh, you got it? Put it in your basket. Nope, here. Put it in here. There's a bunch more around the house. No, they're supposed to go in your basket. Okay, there's a bunch more. I see a bunch more. Look everywhere. Look around. Easter Bunny left them everywhere. Okay, keep looking.
See, this is a mess.
That's okay. Okay, keep looking for eggs. Go. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Go look. I see one. I see one. Well, you have to get up and look, honey. Look. Be gentle with the DVD. What about by the... Why don't you look outside? Look up. Okay. Good job. All right, let's keep looking and Mommy will make breakfast, okay?
I put it there.
All right.